Alright, sikubingelele ekhaya mbukeli weMakhwa TV. Namhlanje ke siza kwena sibukhoma la emhlanga la bekade ke Petro Connect izonikeza ke iziqu abafundi bayo abahambe nayo ke ibanga elide ukuze bakwazi ukuachieve lokho abakuachievile uswena namhlanje. So right now I'm joined by one of the directors from Petro Connect. Sir, welcome to Makhwa TV. Tell us how excited you are about today and for these students really where to from here.
Yeah, we're incredibly excited, and thank you so much for being part of this and being here with us. We're so excited about what the future is holding for these learners and being part of this graduation ceremony. And as you can see, and being part of today, you can see how excited they are for what the future holds and what the UIF has brought to them and what this labour activation program has been able to achieve and bring the opportunities to these learners.
How did this learnership come about?
So from a learnership perspective, the LAP program and UIF and Petro Connect have obviously been able to join forces, and we've been able to recruit these learners into the program together with the UIF, and obviously bring these learners onto this skills program and get them into a skills program that we upskill them and then get them into employment. And that is really what this program is aimed to achieve, and then continue employment thereafter.
Okay, so where to from here for these students who just graduated today?
So many of these students have already gone into employment. Many of them have been upskilled now to go into employment from here. Others have been employed. We've even seen one learner that actually sent their father because they're already in employment, which is fantastic to see. Others are going into their own businesses because they've received the skills and the skill sets that we've taught them throughout this program, creating business plans and so on. And they're now creating actually opportunities for themselves to be able to go that step further.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. We're going to cross over kuwe baba. Mhlawumbe ke kwabantu abayiyouth abangakholelwa kakhulu kuma learnerships ngathini kubona?
Kuneculo elijwayelekile kakhulu angazi noma 2K asalicula enelithi uyithola kanjani uhlele khoneni. And I think really lelo culo noma laqanjwa ngesikhathi esidala kodwa libukeka li-relevant namhlanje ngoba iqiniso ukuthi amathuba ayavela kodwa ngenxa yokuthi kwesinye isikhathi asibona abantu abathanda kakhulu ukubamba amathuba sibone ngathi azosichithela isikhathi. So ngizokhuthaza kakhulu kakhulukazi our young people ukuthi makunethuba nje livelayo, take your chances, you know, raise your hand, be available, uwabambe lamathuba ngoba awazi ngempela ukuthi eliphi ithuba liyokuvulela iminyango.
So komunye umuntu ohlele ekhaya ubukelayo njengamanje ufuna ukuba part of ama students azongena kwi learnership maybe elandelayo ePetro Connect mhlambe ay-access kanjani?
Siyacela ukuthi abantu bakithi babe ngoba kakhulukazi intsha igcwele kakhulu la kuma social media, so uPetro Connect uyatholakala kakhulu kuma social media. Sinane website www.petroconnect.co and also kuma socials wethu uPetro Connect kubo wonke ama handles. Siyacela ukuthi basifollowishe lapho mase bahamba lokho bebheka amathuba asuke evela. Siyazama ukuthi siwaposte kulezo ndawo ukuze abantu bakithi kakhulukazi abasha nabahlele emakhaya bakwazi ukuthi bawathole.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much.